How to grow green onions in a pot. When little or no gardening space is available, you can grow green onions in a container on a patio, windowsill or balcony. When you grow your green onions in containers rather than directly in garden soil, you avoid common nuisances such as poor soil conditions, nematodes and disease. However, you must choose the correct variety of green onion to grow in a pot and use the correct growing medium. Things you'll need: green onion transplants, sterile potting soil, sphagnum peat moss, perlite, composted cow manure. Select a container with drainage holes on the side of the container about 1/4 inch up from the bottom. Ideally, the container should be 6 inches in diameter with a height of 6 to 10 inches. Mix 1 part perlite, 1 part sterile potting soil, 1 part sphagnum peat moss and 1 part composted cow manure. Add the medium to the container. Plant up to 6 green onion transplants in one container. Use Beltsville bunching, crystal wax or evergreen bunching varieties for container gardening. Poke your finger in the medium to make a hole deep enough to fit the tiny roots. Place each transplant in a hole and cover with medium, lightly packed soil. Place the container in an area that has full sun for 3 to 4 hours and shade for the rest of the day. Water the green onions once a day, but do not allow the soil to become soggy. If you notice that the soil is still moist the next day, wait a day before adding more water.